Hey, I'm Aaron Sustar, and here's the thing. You know how today each 500-word article will set you back around $6? Well, let me show you a way, hands-on, on how you can create 500 completely unique articles on a random topic like guitar lessons in less than 45 seconds. So that's 500 unique articles, which is $3,000 worth of unique content in just 45 seconds. Sounds good? Okay, let's get started. We're going to use Spin Rewriter for this. It's the most advanced article spinner out there with ENL semantic spinning technology built right in. So let's start the timer and see if I can make it. 500 articles, 45 seconds. And go! First, we're going to need an article about guitar lessons. So let's click Fetch a new article and use the built-in database of seed articles to find a great one to start with. Let's go with this one, and boom! So now we're going to take this content and create 500 completely unique articles from it. I'm just going to click this button, which tells Spin Rewriter to do everything for us automatically. Now, if I wanted manual control, I could fine-tune every little setting, but I don't need to, because Spin Rewriter's ENL semantic spinning technology makes sure that the resulting articles are perfect. Okay, so here we have our spun article. Let's just click export, export every article in its own text file, and we want 500 unique versions. Click this button and ready to download. So, how easy was that? In less than 45 seconds, I've taken a free article on guitar lessons and created 500 top quality unique articles from it. And all of these articles easily pass Copyscape. So that's $3,000 worth of unique content in just 45 seconds. And 500 articles is more than enough for all of your blogs, your entire PBN network, and if you're selling your contents to clients, you've just created enough unique articles for every single one of them. I hope you liked this hands-on demo and have a great day.